Wagwan man, my name is Natalie, but my friends call me Nats. Today I will be making a very popular Jamaican meal, curry chicken with traditional white rice and a little coleslaw on the side. With me I have half of washed chicken, which I will be chopping up in smaller pieces so that the flavor can pop. Now that we have all the chicken into smaller pieces, we're going to go ahead and add them to the mixing bowl with the dry ingredients, 2.5 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, 3 crushed pimento seed, a splash of extra virgin olive oil, and 1 clove of garlic, and mix it together. In a 4-quart pot, we're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, which we will bring to a simmer. You can test your oil. Yes, it's ready. So we're going to add 2 slices of onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a tablespoon of curry powder. In Jamaica, we like to burn our curry powder. So we want to saute this for at least 30 seconds. After which we will add our seasoned chicken. And we'll go ahead and stir this. Smells great. Then add your cover to bring to a boil and turn the flame down to medium. And this will be cooking for at least 30 minutes. So now we're going to go ahead and add 1 chicken flavor Bullion cube, and the remaining ingredients: 1 Irish potato, half bell pepper, remaining onion slices, 1 Escallion, a stalk of thyme, and our favorite Scotch bonnet pepper. Woo! Spicy. That's how we love it in Jamaica. So you want to stir all your ingredients in. Cover and cook for another 30 minutes. And then dinner will be served. "30 minutes later, dinner is ready. So I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken to the dish. Smells great.